Hello friends, welcome back to Nexo Quiz. Today we're playing a fun game. Will you press the button, yes or no? There are 50 crazy outcomes waiting for you. Some good, some wild, some just insane. So grab your choice each time and let's see what happens. Ready? Let's start. 1. Will you press the button, yes or no? Live in a luxury home with 100 rooms. 2. Which do you choose this time? Get $1 instantly in your hand. 3. Yes or no? Eat unlimited ice cream forever. Which do you choose? Own a flying car. Yes or no? Sleep every night on a golden bed. Which do you choose this time? Have your own robot butler. 7. Yes or no? Travel anywhere in the world for free. Which do you choose? Swim in a pool full of chocolate. Yes or no? Get a pizza delivered every day for life. 10. Which do you choose this time? Live in a beachside mansion. 11. Yes or no? Become invisible for 1 hour every day. 12. Which do you choose? Own a private theme park. 13. Yes or no? Receive $10,000 every morning. 14. Which do you choose this time? Eat a burger bigger than your head. 15. Yes or no? Have a pet dinosaur. 16. Which do you choose? Ride a rainbow unicorn. 7. Yes or no? Own your very own spaceship. 18. Which do you choose this time? Swim with dolphins every week. 19. Yes or no? Win every single video game you play. 20. Which do you choose? Get free candy forever. 21. Yes or no? Stay in a diamond hotel. 22. Which do you choose this time? Eat the world's biggest cake. 23. Yes or no? Live in a castle made of gold. 24. Which do you choose? Own a pet talking parrot. 25. Yes or no? Fly with wings like a superhero. 26. Which do you choose this time? Travel to space for free. 27. Yes or no? Drink unlimited milkshakes forever. 8. Which do you choose? Own 50 sports cars. 29. Yes or no? Live underwater with fish. 30. Which do you choose this time? Get a pet dragon. 31. Yes or no? Eat unlimited fries forever. 32. Which do you choose? Sleep on a floating cloud bed. 3. Yes or no? Find $1,000 in your pocket every day. 34. Which do you choose this time? Control your own robot army. 35. Yes or no? Teleport anywhere instantly. 36. Which do you choose? Swim in a pool full of jelly beans. 37. Yes or no? Eat free at restaurants forever. 8. Which do you choose this time? Own a golden toilet. 39. Yes or no? Hold $5 million in diamonds. 40. Which do you choose? Ride roller coasters every single day. 41. Yes or no? have a secret candy room. 42. Which do you choose this time? Sleep in a chocolate igloo. 43. Yes or no? Chew endless bubble gum. 44. Which do you choose? Ride a jet ski to school or work. 45. Yes or no? See $100 fall from the sky daily. 46. Which do you choose this time? Eat McDonald's for free forever. 47. Yes or no? Get your own private movie theater. 48. Which do you choose? Live in a house on the moon. 49. Yes or no? Own 100 pairs of sneakers. 50. Which do you choose this time? Become the richest person on Earth. And that's it. You survived 50 crazy button choices. So, how many times did you say yes, and how many times no? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun quiz challenges here on Nexo Quiz. See you in the next game.